everybody. Gonna start working on the boat. It's pretty bright out. I didn't get a tarp up like I should have. Look at this. Yeah. It's holding water. Holding water out. Alright. I'm gonna have to put you on time lapse. Neighbors playing music. Beautiful day. I'm not gonna say what I can get done, because I always say I'm gonna get all this done and I never do. So my old lady's supposed to be getting me a tarp for Father's Day, so we'll see. Hopefully that I can get out of the sun while I'm working on this thing. I got a temporary tarp from work. These big, huge bag things cover packs of lumber, and my boss let me bring one home, so I covered the boat up so it wasn't getting soaking wet in here. But it did anyway, so we'll see where we can get on it. Hopefully I can get something done today. I'm really stuck. Of course, I want to stop right there, but the floor is nasty down in there. Rotting through. Look, you can see a hole right here. Yeah, goes right down in. Nasty. Some water did get in. It's probably for the lights. Those wires. Got that undone. That was up in front. Always good to have. Those are nice. That's nice. Brand new. Brand new. That's what I got so far. Have the carpet up. That's what the front looks like. Look at the hole. What? Down underneath down here, that's solid. Now I just gotta get all this wood out. Look at that. That's how bad the floor was rotten. Rotten right out it was. So I'm gonna work on getting these boards out of here. I already tried right there. Failed attempt. Oh, I had to tear this off. I think I found the screw holes. So I'm gonna keep on working on tearing this stuff out, and hopefully we'll get something good done today. Pulled that off. Not sure if it's any good. We'll keep it and test it out. I got this. Found that up there. I don't know. Getting down to it. Alright, everybody. I took this thing out, the dash board, I guess you would call it, with like all the power supply and stuff on it, and the wheel. The wheel is turning. This gets me excited. You guys gotta check this out. Alright, watch, I'm gonna turn the wheel. And it feels so smooth too, guys. Look at that. That is amazing. The steering is all intact. I can't even believe this right now. And it's pretty easy to turn. That's good news. Alright, guys. So now I gotta set my tarp up for the night. We gotta do a good job with it so that no rain gets in here. I don't think it's supposed to rain tonight, and hopefully I get a good day tomorrow on it, but it is Father's Day, so we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe, please. Please, please. It means a lot. She is. Got her tarped up for the night. Yeah, there's holes in it, but still, it's better than nothing. Got her all tarped up for the night. Hopefully I get to work on it tomorrow. It is Father's Day, but excuse me. We went down and got some ice cream, so we called it a night. Have a good night. Colby says ice cream was good.